Hey, superstars, this is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Let's go! Listen, right now you're watching a video. Imagine watching a video just like this and making free PayPal money deposited to your bank account every single day, okay? Listen, what if you can watch YouTube videos like you're doing right now and earn up to $977? Now, understand this. You can make way more than that, but the average person that listens to this content here, they make about $900 a week, okay? That's $3,600 per month, and all you need to do is watch a YouTube video over and over again. It's up to you, okay? Many of you are asking me in the comments below, Wesley, does this really work? You have so many videos on your YouTube channel. I just need to know, is anybody actually making money? I would gladly smash that like button, but I need to know who's making money. Check it out. I got an email. I get emails like this all the time. Brenda Lovings. This is my email account right here, Wesley Virgin here, right? She wrote this. Let me open this up so you can read this, big head. Look, this is from Brenda. Wesley, it really worked. You're awesome. She sent this April 4, 2021. Now, I get these emails all day, every day, right? I'm so excited right now because for the first time ever, I made $3,997 online by watching your free video I found on YouTube last night. Wes, you are something special. I love you. I'm going to buy your online millionaire mastery course tonight as well. You gave me the confidence to really go for it. Thanks, Brenda. So what does that tell you? Well, it works, okay? But listen, you can just never give up. That's the best advice I can give all of you. Right now, you're watching this. I know you're eager to make money, but be patient, but never give up. Go to google.com, okay? Go here. Open up a tab with google.com. Just keep that open, okay? Then what I want you to do is go back to YouTube because we're going to spend time on YouTube, all right? Have YouTube open as well. Now, what I want you to type in is these words, popular games, okay? Now, listen, if you're a video gamer, you're going to love this. Like, if you don't need to play games, but if you like games, I mean, this is powerful here. So, listen, what you want to search for is trending video games right now. You don't have to play any games. You don't have to be good at it. All you have to do is, it's just watching video. I'm going to be honest with you. You're going to watch a video and you're going to get paid. It's up to you. You watch a ton of content already on YouTube. So if you're not making money, well, you're going to make money now and get some free PayPal money today, okay? Minecraft, Fortnite, Grand Theft Auto is what we're going to focus on because these are popular right now, okay? They're trending. You go back to YouTube, you take your keyword, you go to the search here, but make sure you're turning the notifications here for Wesley Virgin. Of course, smash the like button and sub to the channel if you want to make money online, okay? Minecraft, we type that in. And this method here, I've already did it before. And listen, I made about $100,000 a couple of years ago using this, and I don't do this anymore because, well, I'm rich now. I'm a millionaire. But listen, this is great for people who are trying to make like $10,000 per month. If you're willing to do the work, focus on it, and watch the video more than once. Listen, this video that you're watching right now, make sure you watch it more than once, because if you don't do that, you're not going to get it, okay? So you type in Minecraft and you scroll down here, and what I like to do is find the most popular Minecraft video, okay? Like this one. Minecraft battle, tunnel house, build a challenge, noob versus pro. I'll click on this here. It's 1.4 million here, okay? You see that right here? Then you just watch that video, okay? Spend some time, watch the video one time. It's all you got to do. Once you watch it, you want to go to a site by the name of adpaylink.com. And as you can see here, these are actually live people right now that are getting PayPal payments. Like, imagine making this money right now, and they pay out every single day based off the videos that are being watched, based off the technique that I'm going to show you for free in this video here. That's money every day. This is free. This is money, okay? These people, these are their usernames. And now what I want you to do is go to sign up here. Click sign up. All right. Type in your username, your email address. Your username is Big Head because I'm pretty sure you got a big head. And email address, password here. Okay. Now for this video, I've already created an account for you. as a beginner. Let me sign in here. And as you can see here, this is what your platform is going to look like. Eventually, you're going to have hundreds of, like, thousands of dollars here eventually here, and it's so easy to do. What you want to do here is go to Tools, okay? Go to Multi-Link, okay? And what you want to do is go back to that Minecraft video. Understand this, Minecraft, Fortnite, very popular right now. And like I said before, I'm going to show you, this is like just watching videos, honestly. Just watching videos. So many ways to make money online and get free PayPal money, and it's worldwide. That's the great thing about this, worldwide, okay? What you're going to do is copy this link here. See what I'm doing? I'm going very slow for you. Smash the like, because I'm going very slow just for you, big head, all right? Because I want you to have a ton of money in your pocket here in the next 24 hours, all right? Then go back here to add pay link. Put that in. Hit shorten. Now that link here, every time someone click it, you get paid, basically. All right, that link is a shortener that basically when someone clicked on it, they get a quick little advertisement. Then they're gonna go to your video here. And I know what you're thinking, okay, Wesley, how do I get thousands of people to go here? Because what you want is thousands of people to click on your link. Like you didn't spend any money, you didn't spend a lot of time. All you need to do is get this in the hands of thousands of people, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this for free in this video right now, okay? Just like I showed Brenda, and that's why Brenda is making money. Like she made $4,000. Now I'm gonna show you love, and I appreciate you showing me love below in the comments below. Now listen, what you wanna do is go to a site by the name of PCGamer.com, okay? PCGamer.com, go there now. And remember, it's very important to watch this video over and over again because I'm moving slow, but at the same time, some of you are not going to get it. Some of you are not going to listen closely here and get it the first time around. So watch it again, okay? So listen, what you want to do is go to forums here, click on that, and you want to take your keyword such as Minecraft that we did in YouTube, right? Minecraft, right? Type in Minecraft. See how simple this is? I mean, I'm doing it for my bedroom with my Versace wallpaper here. Look at it, look good. You like that? Okay. Listen, you're gonna do the same thing as well. You're gonna see. Scroll down here, and as you can see here, these are articles and these are questions that people are asking about Minecraft, okay? No, what you wanna do is understand, we gotta find out what's trending, okay? Find out what's trending here, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a article. So you're gonna go back here, and what you can do is this. You can put in Minecraft cheat codes. Okay. Look at that. Minecraft cheats and commands. The best way to cheat in Minecraft without getting caught, right? I mean, it's powerful here. You can take that video right here, right? And what you want to do is, because people on this website here, they get about 1 million visits a day. So imagine like a fraction of those people clicking on your article, and I'm gonna show you where to get it from, and basically earning the money based off the link that you're gonna post on the forum here. Now look at this, watch this. So what you do is you copy this, right? You're gonna copy this right here, all right? You're gonna go back to google.com, which we're here, type that in, and all we wanna do is take an article, right? See this right here? We take an article, just like here. And what we do is we can take this information right here. Okay, you see that? So you copy this. You can copy all this, right? Are you guys still with me? Open up a new tab, type in Google Drive. Stay with me here, don't lose me. That's why you got to watch it more than once here, okay? Go to Google Drive. This is how the experts do it, okay? Children do this, okay? And you can do this as well too. Go to new, we're gonna open up a new. Let me open up a new document here. You see this right here? Okay, copy and paste. See that right there? Then we wanna go back. Are you guys with me here, okay? We're gonna go back here, because that was our title, right? And we want to edit this doc here because see, this doc here is what we're going to add to PC Gamer Series. You see that right there? So then at the bottom, so you go back to the video on YouTube, copy that there, okay? Go back to, here we go, addpaylink.com, okay? Shorten that URL. Are you guys with me here? All right? Copy that. Go back to your doc. This is how people are making that free PayPal money, right? Click here. Click here to watch how it's done, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take an article like this, copy and paste it. Are you with me here? Smash the like button. I can't hear you. Look, go back to PC Gamer. And all you do is when you sign up for the forum, you do a new post and you post it right here in the Minecraft forum on PC Gamer. Then what people are gonna do is they're gonna click your link right here. Thousands of people per day. Why? Because it's trending, okay? You can do this with any game. You can do it with Fortnite, Grand Theft Auto. It doesn't matter. It's just simple. You take a article that you find online that's trending, right? Cheat codes, updates, those are very popular. You post it to PC Gamer. They get about 1 million people per month that visit this website, gamers all around the world, right? Like PewDiePie, all these famous people. And you just post your article here, put your link below. They go to this video, and the more people that watch it over and over again, then guess what happens? You get paid, okay? You get paid over and over and over again here at AddPadLink. Now, listen, as a bonus here, because I love you so much, and I know what you guys are thinking, Wesley, I love you. In the comments below, I'm gonna show you some love. This is great, but listen, let me give you more ways. Look, you can go here, Smooner.com. It's another shortener. So basically, you use, it's just like PayLink. See, listen, I'm all about making more money as humanly possible. How about you? Smash the like button if you want to make the most money the fastest way possible. So what you do is you sign up to many of these sites, Smooner.com. Here's another one, CLK.sh, earn money. So many of these are the top 3. Use them today. Use them right now. Listen, you can make money online. That is free PayPal cash coming into your bank account over and over again. And listen, if you didn't get it, watch it again. This is Wesley, $1 billion version. Smash the like button. Show me some love. Sub to the channel. And very soon, tomorrow, I have another video for you. Let's go! Later, folks.